Well, guys, this was a nice capture at Haulover Beach speed trap that we call. I hope you liked the video, and I also want to remind you that the channel is not doing great. So if there's only a few hundred people watching the videos, it's gonna be hard for me to keep bringing this type of content. So if you want to support the channel, please leave a comment below and all the videos that you see, and always a thumbs up. That would help get the channel recognized by YouTube. So thanks for watching, and there's more yachts coming up next. So thanks again.